Hi guys, in front of me is Nokia T21 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and here just click on change wallpaper. You can choose one from your own photos, on device wallpapers, whatever you like. Let me choose for example this one. Decide if it's for your home screen only or just your home screen, maybe both. Actually here you can see how it looks and then you will be able to customize it. Just click on confirmation mark and then decide how you wish to apply it. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, wallpaper has been changed. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.